We really appreciate that you have chosen SimplyThick EasyMix for your thickening needs. We know that this is a challenging and difficult time in your life. We have made this training video so you can be sure you are properly preparing thickened beverages for yourself or your loved one. SimplyThick EasyMix is a revolutionary new thickener for people with thickened liquid needs. It is super easy to use and to mix with any utensil, even a spoon. Here you can see just a small sampling of the beverages that SimplyThick EasyMix will thicken: ice cream, alcohol, milk, juice, wine, beer, coffee, tea, soda, sports drinks, and ice cubes. With SimplyThick EasyMix, beverages maintain their consistency. You can prepare beverages ahead of time and store them in your refrigerator for a few days for when they are needed. Although we can't answer every question in a short training video, here are some of the most common things people ask about SimplyThick EasyMix. SimplyThick EasyMix is kosher and halal. It is free of allergens we are aware of, including gluten. It is low in sugar, so it works well for diabetics. SimplyThick EasyMix products are tested to comply with the standards of the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. Our labeling includes the IDDSI terms, as well as the traditional terminology of nectar, honey, and pudding. However, for simplicity in this video, we are using the traditional terminology only. SimplyThick EasyMix comes in two packaging forms. First, we have IDDSI color-coded packets to thicken either individual 4-ounce servings or to prepare a bulk batch of 32 ounces. Next, we have a 2-liter bottle and pump system. Using the table found on the side of the bottle, it can be used to produce any consistency of a 4 ounces beverage. 1 full pump stroke is used for nectar thick, 2 full pump strokes are used for honey thick, and 4 full pump strokes are used for pudding thick. We will start with an example demonstrating our bulk packets. We have 32 ounces of orange juice in this pitcher. In this case, we are using a nectar bulk packet. Use the tear notch located on the colored end of the packet to open it. Start at the other end and work the thickener out of the packet. You can see it comes out very easily. Then take any handy appropriately sized utensil, usually a spoon, and mix until it has thickened, about 30 seconds. Towards the end of the mixing, you're going to feel the liquid become a little bit heavier on your stirring utensil. That's one way you know the thickener has been well mixed into your beverage. And here is the final product. You can pour what you need to serve now and store the rest in the refrigerator. SimplyThick EasyMix will also thicken sports drinks. We will use an individual nectar packet for this demonstration. Measure 4 ounces of the sports drink into a glass. Use the tear notch on the colored end of the SimplyThick EasyMix packet and add the gel to the water. Mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened for about 30 seconds. Here is the thickened sports drink, ready to drink immediately. You can still enjoy carbonated beverages with SimplyThick EasyMix. We will use the bottle and pump system to make a soda to honey consistency. Measure 4 ounces of soda into a cup. Be sure the cup is not too full because we will generate some foam during mixing. Add 2 full complete pump strokes to the glass and mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened, about 30 seconds. Now the soda is ready to serve immediately. Next, we have 32 ounces of milk in this pitcher. We will use a bulk honey packet. Once again, use the tear notch in the colored region of the packet to open it. We then start working the thickener gel out of the packet like rolling a tube of toothpaste. Now take a large spoon and mix for about 30 seconds. You can pour what you need to serve now and store the rest in the refrigerator. We will now use water with the bottle and pump system to make nectar-thick liquids. Measure 4 ounces of water. Add 1 full complete pump stroke into the glass and mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened, about 30 seconds. Now the water is ready to serve immediately. When you or your loved one wants a cup of coffee, you can use SimplyThick EasyMix. In this case, we will be making the coffee to honey consistency with individual packets. Measure a 4-ounce cup of coffee, and we recommend cooling it to below 155 degrees Fahrenheit before thickening. Add the contents of the honey packet and mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened, about 30 seconds. Creamer and sugar can be added to taste. One of the amazing things about SimplyThick EasyMix is that it will thicken laxatives for you. We will use the bottle and pump system to demonstrate making a nectar-thick serving. Measure 4 ounces of water into a glass. Add 1 full complete pump stroke to the cup. Now add the proper laxative dose and mix with any handy utensil, a spoon, knife, fork, or even a straw or coffee stirrer until thickened, about 30 seconds. Now the laxative is ready to serve immediately. Finally, we want to show you an example of the flexibility of SimplyThick EasyMix by using it with ice cream. Take 4 ounces of softened ice cream. In this case, we will thicken it to nectar consistency. So we add 1 complete pump of SimplyThick EasyMix. Then we mix for about 30 seconds, and the ice cream is thickened and ready to serve. Or you can put it in the freezer to make it firmer. Visit our website for monthly and seasonal specialty drinks like milkshakes, frozen margaritas, and many other drinks for special occasions. We also have instructions to use SimplyThick EasyMix to make gelatin and pureed food. As we've demonstrated, SimplyThick EasyMix is simple, easy, and quick. It also allows for greater creativity when making beverages for people with swallowing disorders. For a copy of the SimplyThick mixing instructions and other information, visit us at www.simplythick.com/mixing or give us a call at 1-800-205-7115. Thank you for choosing SimplyThick EasyMix. Your patients will thank you too.